Alright everybody, this is I guess one of the first videos of working on the truck, and my dumbass didn't film it, but I just pulled out the battery, so we got that out now. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick look in the engine bay, and what the hell, that shouldn't be broken, and there should be a bolt there. So that's gonna be one of the things we have to look at, because that's not right. It's got a little bit of a leak, and yeah, I don't like that, so we're gonna replace that. Like this, that needs to go. But I mean, it's again, for how old this truck is, that it's not in bad shape at all. I got no complaints, especially considering I got it for free. But you can see it needs a little bit of TLC. So we've got that battery out. I think that's my power steering too. I think that's holding my power steering module, if I remember correctly. But yeah, first things first, got to get that looked at. Got to pull that out. How hard could it be? I got manuals for a reason. It'll be fine. I got to do fluid swaps for everything. I got to completely replace everything. I don't even know if the transmission's ever been swapped out. So could have 300,000 kilometers plus on the transmission oil, which would not be bueno. But yeah, we got the battery on the charger right now, and this thing's just gonna hang out for the night. We'll shut the hood, and let me show you guys inside too. Perfect. We'll replace the grill as well. Truck's in great shape. Like the door locks still work, obviously without the battery in it. Nothing in here is gonna go. But the electric locks still work, which is kind of wild to me. Let's see. I pulled out the radio so nobody would steal it. Focus. There we go. But yeah, just a few kilometers on it. I don't see the issue. What's the problem? Got a throttle body back there that I'm going to be throwing in here. Got jumper cables. Those will be staying in here forever, basically. And I'm going to throw a second battery into the back. But, yeah. This is my truck. This is my freaking truck. I have a truck. I'm going to replace that because that's a little hokey. Although, they're LEDs, so it's not terrible. I'll just replace the sticky back. I'll keep the LEDs. But the windshield's not even cracked. That was surprising. I was expecting it to have a cracked windshield. But, yeah, not bad at all. It can 4x4, which is freaking awesome. I got, what is this here? I think a fuel filter? Yeah, I got a fuel filter in here. Tie rods, or is this a piece of the suspension? I can't remember what this is now, but that's got to get replaced. And then what is this now? Trying to do this one-handed is hard. Oh, thermostat. That's what that is, a thermostat. But, yeah. I got a truck. Beep, beep. I don't want to wake up the neighborhood. Although the battery's not in, so that wouldn't do bugger all. But this is great. This is great. I gotta do the brakes. Gotta completely redo those. But, yeah, I can't wait to go on adventures. The heater still works. AC still works. Or at least it worked when it was parked 5 months ago. You gotta probably put new air conditioning fluid in there. Whatever it's called. But yeah, my truck. Very proud, very happy. And yeah, I got a little bit of rust mitigation to do. But all things considered, underneath, it's actually not in bad shape. Like, that's just surface rust there. There's even some original, I guess, the black paint right there. That's original. So, it hasn't been completely worn down. I guess that's one of the benefits of Okanagan weather, right? As long as the roads aren't heavily salted, it's not too bad. Let's see, am I missing any fuses? I don't know offhand if I am or not, but yeah, let's see. I get to play around with that. What's this? Why is this not attached? Oh, that's a light. But yeah, this is bloody exciting. The relay for the flashers are there. I can't wait. I have so many things I want to do with this truck. So many things I want to do. And yeah, I'm gonna enjoy every single second of it. All things considered, it's in pretty darn good shape. A little bit of a dent in the bumper there, but that's not a problem for me. I got an anvil back there, also known as a railway, or as a rail for a railway. Gonna be doing that. There's a couple of dents on the sides that I want to pull out here, right here. I want to pull that out. Same here. This scraped along a tree at some point, but that's okay. I'm having a good time. Having a real good time. This is where I do my live streams. I got that chair. There's just a rake holding that up, eh? That's just fun. It's just great. And yeah, I just have the battery charging here. And we'll let that charge for a while. Because, yeah, it was dead. I'm probably going to have to get a new battery. But just in case I don't, I wanted to try this out and see if I can get this thing going. But, yeah, this is exciting. So yeah, I should have recorded pulling the battery out, but it was just so hard trying to do it one-handed already, because I don't have some of the, I don't know where all my tools went. Like, I have a bunch of wrenches. I have no idea where they went. They got misplaced somewhere in the move, and now I'm kind of, stuck until I find them. But other than that, one of the best ways that you can support my channel, if you like what I'm doing and you want to see more of it, is hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave a comment, because that's the way that that engagement is what gets my videos out there. If you really like what we do, I sound like a broken record here, but we also have a Patreon. I think the lowest tier is like $10 a month or something like that. It's not necessary though. You don't have to do it. It just helps us out, monetarily at that point, and it allows us to do things even quicker and all that. So, yeah, I do want to, say that kind of deal. I appreciate everything that you guys have done. I appreciate all the comments and the likes, and to all my subscribers, thank you so much. Today we hit 177, so that kind of tells you where in my YouTube career we're at. I've been doing this for a couple of years, but only recently have I started uploading daily, essentially, with the YouTube Shorts, and I'm trying to upload more often with longer format videos like this. So I I can't even. I'm not gonna lie. I can't believe we're already at 177. It's incredible, and I just appreciate each and every single one of you. You guys are awesome. You leave awesome comments. You're just awesome. I'm at a loss for words. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, if you liked it, hit that like button. If you want to keep seeing this kind of thing, hit that subscribe button, because I'm going to be doing this a lot more often now. And yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Cheers, everybody.